I needed a whole lot of dental help. Here's how I made it through. Hi, my name is Erin. I like to go to the beach. I do a lot of yoga. I love painting on canvas. I am learning to play the ukulele, and I love gardening. One day I was eating tacos and I bit down and I felt something come out, and I looked down and my dental bridge had come out of my mouth. I was super stressed and scared. I went straight to the dentist. I had to get a dental implant and a couple crowns, and it wasn't just, a one appointment type of situation. It was just gonna be several appointments and a long process, and it was so stressful, and I knew it was going to be super expensive, so I was so stressed out. And then my dentist recommended the CareCredit credit card. He said that it could help me pay for my dental procedures, and it was such a relief to know that that was an option. The promotional financing was incredible. Luckily, I didn't have to come out of pocket and pay the whole thing. So now that I have the CareCredit credit card, I was able to get my procedures done and financed, and I feel so much better. I love smiling all day. Thanks, CareCredit, for helping me when I needed it most.